Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase API. First, you'll need a verified Coinbase account with two-factor authentication enabled for robust security. Next, navigate to your account settings to generate an API key, secret, and a custom passphrase. It's crucial to save your secret and passphrase immediately, as they are shown only once. Remember to set specific permissions for your key, granting only the access your application truly needs, ensuring maximum security for your digital assets. Authenticating your requests is a critical step for interacting with private endpoints. Coinbase employs a robust HMAC SHA 256 signature-based authentication. Every authenticated request must include specific headers, your API key, a unique signature, a current Unix epoch timestamp, and your passphrase. The signature is a base 64 encoded hash, generated from a perhash string combining the timestamp, HTTP method, request path, and body. Ensure your server's clock is synchronized within 30 seconds of the API service time to prevent errors. Once authenticated, you can begin interacting with Coinbase's various endpoints. The platform provides a REST API for general requests, perfect for fetching account balances or historical data. For real-time updates like live market prices or trade executions, consider using their WebSocket feeds. You'll find endpoints for managing accounts, placing orders, accessing product information, and more. Remember to use HTTP GET for retrieving data and POST for creating new resources. Utilizing client libraries can significantly streamline your development process. To ensure your application runs smoothly and securely, follow these best practices. Always store your API keys and secrets in secure environment variables or a dedicated secrets manager, never hard-coding them. Implement IP whitelisting to restrict access to only approved IP addresses. Be mindful of rate limits. Public endpoints typically allow 10 requests per second, while private endpoints permit 15 requests per second per API key. If you encounter a 429 too many requests error, implement an exponential backoff strategy to gracefully retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.